Hi, so we're going to do beginner's Qi Gong, and let's start with a sitting position. You can be on a chair, or you just go to a park, and you can also stand to do. So the first thing with Qi Gong is quiet down. So you can half close your eyes and all close your eyes and think about relaxing each part of the body. And you can be doing breathe in with the nose, breathe out with the nose. Another thing you can consider doing is to put the tongue on top of the palate behind the hard and soft spot. Like this. Head level, chin in, tongue on top of the palate. So you can breathe in with the lung, breathe out with the lung. You will feel the back is slightly changing position, and this is perfectly right. Head relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Neck relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Shoulders relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Chest relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Abdomen relax. Breathe in, breathe out. How about practicing with the sound song, right? Song means in Chinese, relax. That means song like this. Breathe in, breathe out, song, and think about different parts of the body. Head, breathe in, song. So you can practice without making the sound song, or you can practice it without making the sound song. Thank you. So if you like what I do, please check the link below, and then I look forward to see you on the other side. Check it out now.